Hey guys, welcome back to another amazing video. In this tutorial, we'll learn how you can install APK on iOS. So make sure to watch this video till the end and follow all the steps properly, and let's begin. First of all, open up your browser you want and go and search for use Scarlet. After searching, open the first site and scroll down a bit inside the site. After scrolling down, simply tap on install and an ad will appear. Simply go back to the main page again and a list will appear in front of you. Select install and Scarlet will get installed. Now Scarlet is a tool that allows you to install third-party applications on your iOS device. It's the most advanced tool for installing applications and most accessible. Open the browser again and go and search for Fortnite IPA. And you can search for any IPA, but since Fortnite is not available on iOS, I'll download it. So just download the IPA from the website and again open Scarlet. Now go over to the second tab and select import icon at the top right corner. Then select the IPA file and it will start installing the application. You can download any IPA you want and any type of tweaked application on your iOS by using Scarlet. And that's how you can install APKs on iOS. So that's all for today's video guys. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.